Rajgiri National Business Quiz is undoubtedly one of the most anticipated quiz events in the country. – 2014 was no different. As the 5th edition this year, we had over 1,100 participants, both online and offline.
Welcome to the most anticipated quiz event of 2014, the Rajgiri National Business Quiz 2014.
We are always glad to come to Rajgiri Business Quiz, and we look forward to it every year because it's one of the best organized quiz fests I've ever come across.
It's wonderful to come here. It feels really good when we see the quality of the questions, the effort that the team puts in the quiz, and also, the net result. We enjoy the entire experience, and that's the entire reason we come to Rajgiri.
This is the Chinese Foxconn factory which has everything, but you see a lot of suicides because of the kind of work hours and work pressure that these guys have. Mock me 15 points for you. Once and last.
So this has been my 4th year in Rajgiri National Business Quiz. Each year has been an experience which has been much better than the previous one. The competition, the organization, the hospitality has been something which is among the best I've seen in the country.
This tango was given and dedicated to the current Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
The whole unique proposition of RNBQ is that RNBQ basically pits the students and the corporates on the same platform. It was actually pretty amazing how these students held up to people, to corporates, to big players like from Genpact, TCS, etc.
I think this is the third time that we've come here. Third time through with last couple of times we lost out narrowly in the semi-final by a very narrow margin. This time proved better. I think Rohit presented a very well-researched quiz this time around, which kept the teams as well as the audience entertained. All the best teams across the country were here, so it was competitive as it has always been. And a huge round of thanks to Rajgiri for their hospitality and their overall organization. Great job, guys.
Finally, we made it here, and we actually managed to win the first place in the student category. And it was a great experience. Even better than coming here was winning it. And this is the first time there's a separate prize for the students. And I think this is the biggest cash prize I've ever won in a quiz. And I'd like to thank Rajgiri for that.
With teams from over 25 cities, I think this is undoubtedly one of the largest quizzes that you see in India.